Hey, Gloria Walker here, and I want to first congratulate you for taking action and activating your 7-day free trial inside of Builderall. And secondly, I want to thank you for activating your 7-day free trial with me. Okay, so in this module, I'm going to go over the tools so that you see exactly what you're getting for your money when you activate your customer or your business pro account. Okay, so let's get started. Now, what I absolutely love about Builderall is the value in all the tools and software that you'll quickly notice right up front. Okay, now the best way I can describe Builderall, it's like one big giant buffet with many delicious entrees and desserts to choose from, which each designed to help you grow your business. All right. Now, Builderall was created with two different customers in mind. Okay, the business owner like myself and the customer. Now, regardless of who you are, you will find a ton of value in both scenarios. Okay. And there's a tool inside of Builderall for everyone. I don't care who you are, you will find a tool in here that's perfect for yourself. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, now here you will see the HTML drag and drop site builder. Okay, now with this tool, there's no need to learn any codes like HTML or CSS. And I remember back when I first got started online, my very first blog was on blogger.com. And I was so excited. I got my Blogspot link, and then I would spend literally hours scouring the internet to buy a template because I didn't want to use, the templates that came with Blogger because, there was only so many templates, and I didn't want to look like everyone else, So, I was go out and I would spend all this time trying to find the perfect template, and then I would spend days trying to customize it, trying to teach myself HTML and CSS. And then once I got the blog, looking halfway decent, then the thing wouldn't work. I mean, it was just ridiculous. I mean, talk about tech overwhelm. But anyway, with this tool, Builderall has made everything super easy and super quick. Just drag and drop and you're on your way. Okay? Now, and by the way, anytime you can go ahead and watch these demos and get familiar with the tools yourself while you are on your 7-day free trial. All right. So next up, we have an email platform that starts you off with 10,000 email subscribers. Okay. Now, many providers out there, they don't start you off nowhere near 10,000. And those that do, they're going to charge you a premium or pro account pricing for it. Okay, so be sure to watch the demo right here. Okay, and next we have the responsive website builder, and this is one of my favorite builders, and I've started to use this to build sales funnels, and I'll talk a little bit more on this amazing tool later in the modules. Okay, now there's also an animated videos creator, and you don't have to go out and shell out big bucks or go into tech overwhelm. I'm trying to create these animated videos or those really cool explainer videos, like the ones where people are, cooking and all that. Those are really cool. I'm digressing, but I really like those. But anyway, we have an app right inside of Builderall that shows you exactly how to create these. All right. And next up is the floating videos creator tool, which is a really cool feature as well. And you can place a video anywhere you want on your Builderall website in minutes, literally in minutes. Okay. And of course, minus the tech overwhelm. Okay. And next we have the design studio mockups. So, this is for the person that does design work. So what happens is you can create the design mockups for your clients so they can preview their projects in advance. And you can do websites with this. You can do business cards. You can even do ebooks in the design studio mockup. And it's really, really awesome feature as well. Okay. And next we have the presentation builder. And this is also another one of my favorite tools. And you can use this to create video sales letters or any type of presentations that you can embed into your website. And you can share this with someone, and you can even add a password protection for extra security. Okay. And next, This is really another one of my favorites. This is the SEO on page report tool. And this is SEO and analytics is, I mean, I'm a true geek and I really love SEO analytics. Um, but with this right here, this is this tool helps you to have a SEO friendly website. So what happens is it make it possible where you can rank on the search engines. So there's no more wondering why your website and blogs aren't ranking in Google, Bing, or Yahoo. I mean, the tool will do everything for you. Okay. And next we have that Facebook integration tool. And you can capture and nurture leads with notifications, intelligent posts, and apps that will fully integrate into your Facebook pages. And this helps you build a strong relationship with your leads and customers. It's very awesome. And up next, we have the browser notifications tool. And with this one, there are companies out there, they're charging anywhere from 50 to 100 and even over $100 for this. Okay. And all you have to do is install this app inside of your website, right? And your visitor will have the option of opting in into your browser notifications. Now, if they authorize you to send them notifications, they'll see a pop-up even if they're not on your website. Pretty cool, right? So whenever you launch a promotion or an exclusive offer or even an event, your visitors can be notified right away. Okay, talk about automating your business, right? Very cool. Now, another tool that's pretty cool is the lead capture tool. And of course, everyone needs leads for the business, right? Now, with this one, you can create as many lead capture pages as your heart contents, okay? Because guess what? It's free, okay? Meaning that it's already included in your BuilderAll price. Now, the lead pages are included at no extra charge, and you can add as many opt-ins as you'd like. The choices are endless, okay? And of course, no tech overwhelm, all right? And next one, this is really awesome too. I love this too. It's the Click Heat Map tool. And this will help you determine your visitors' activities when they arrive on your website or blog. Okay. And this will help you increase your conversions. And the tool will let you know where they are clicking and the paths they take once they're inside your website. All right. And the next tool we have is the iOS Android App Creator. Now, have you ever thought about creating your own apps, but you thought it was like merely wishful thinking because of the expense or the learning curve? You don't have to think no more because that also comes with BuilderAll, and you'll be able to make awesome apps for your clients with ease and at no additional cost. All right. Now, next, I want to show you the back office and go over a couple of items that aren't listed on this page here, because BuilderAll is constantly developing new and cutting-edge tools to help you grow your business. Okay, so let's jump back here. Okay, so here we have the Pixel Perfect Builder, and we can also build mobile websites right here. Here is a mailing boss. Again, 10,000 emails. I mean, 10,000 subscribers right up front. Okay, so here you find a presentation builders, photo studio, the design studio that I talked about earlier. You find that here as well. And so everything is all in one right back here in your back office. And here you can create really cool videos, the animated videos that I talked about earlier here, your floating videos as well. And these apps are really cool. Oh, and right here. And these apps right here are really cool. Here you find your browser notifications and your SEO on page report, your Facebook integration is back here as well. Oh, and another thing too, BuilderAll even has their version of ManyChat. Okay, I didn't even know that they even had this, and it's right here. It's called Facebook Chatbot, And before Builderall, I had signed up for ManyChat, their pro account. I think it was like $10 a month. But after I saw I participated in the class, I was like, oh my God, I'll never learn all this stuff, all those sequences that you have to learn. I was like, I'll never use it. So I was actually paying for a service that I wasn't even using, but they have it right here. Okay. And also another cool feature is the share locker. And the way that works is it's also integrated with your Facebook account, and it's pretty cool. I mean, it's like um, what happens is that in order for if you use this, in order for a reader or one of your followers get access to any of your nice and good content, they have to either share or like it first. So this is a great way for you to build up your social presence. Another cool tool is the script generator. And oh my gosh, I didn't even know they had this. This thing is awesome. If you um it's a copywriting tool that helps you get over your writer's block by helping you create copy within a couple of clicks, okay? And what happens is once you get it activated, you go over here, you click script generator, and look at this. They have scripts for just about every niche here. Okay, and it's so freaking awesome. Let's take, for instance, let's take internet marketing. Okay, you look at that. They have scripts for the funnels, the webinars, even email scripts. Okay, phone scripts, story scripts. Oh my goodness, uh, this right here will probably you hire a copywriter, and I mean, you know that's gonna you're talking about big bucks. Okay, so this right here is awesome. Okay, and another thing here is there's social proofing here, right? Which is also awesome too. And this is another one of my favorites. I haven't used it yet, but this is awesome. So what happens is a little pop-up notification that will appear on the bottom of your website, and it will give your readers or your followers social proof, so that when people are opting into your website, it'll give them a notification of all the people that have taken action on your website. Okay, so that's exactly how that here. There is a, a webinar tool here, and what happens is it allows you to create new webinars, and you can put them on automation. Let's see, I think I started one too. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and so if you're a coach, or if you are in network marketing, if you do business sales and you want to do presentations, you can create webinars, both live and automated. And so you're definitely going to want to check out our webinar presentation tool. And of course, we have the Builderall business right here. So if you're interested in earning extra commissions, you'll learn more about that on Module 6 and Module 7. In tomorrow's lessons, I'm going to show you exactly how you can plan your way to your first $2,000 in residual income with Builderall using the Builderall calculator. So make sure you skip forward to that lesson, or return to that lesson tomorrow. Okay, so let me go back here. Okay, so this has been Gloria Walker, and at any time, all you have to do, if you want to upgrade your account and you already know that you love what you see, just click on the upgrade button at any time, and you can choose a customer account or a business pro account like myself, if you want to also make extra income sharing this with others, or by helping your clients actually get on this tool. Okay, so if you have any questions at any time, please make sure to visit my website, and I will have that link. I will send you that link after this video, and click on the send me a message button at the bottom of my website, or also feel free to send me a direct message on my Facebook business page. Okay, so, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.